Drink 1 cup clove water at night and say goodbye 11 health problems. See how. Are you looking for a simple, natural solution to improve your health? Imagine saying goodbye to 11 health problems by just drinking 1 cup of clove water every night. Too good to be true? Stick around to find out the amazing benefits of clove water and how it can transform your health. 1. Improve digestion and reduce bloating. Drinking clove water before bed can significantly improve digestion. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol helps stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, which can aid in breaking down food, thereby reducing bloating and gas. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that clove extracts improve gastric motility and can alleviate symptoms of indigestion. Moreover, clove water's high fiber content helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation. Regular consumption can lead to a healthier digestive system, with fewer episodes of discomfort and bloating. 2. Support weight loss. Clove water can play a vital role in weight management. It contains compounds that boost metabolism, helping the body burn calories more efficiently. Drinking it at night allows the body to continue its fat-burning processes during sleep. According to a study in the Journal of Food Biochemistry, the bioactive components in cloves increase metabolic rates, helping in the breakdown of fat cells. Additionally, clove water suppresses appetite by reducing cravings, which can be beneficial for people looking to reduce their overall calorie intake. 3. Relieve joint pain and inflammation. Drinking clove water at night can alleviate symptoms of arthritis and joint pain. Cloves contain flavonoids and phenolic compounds that inhibit inflammation-causing enzymes. According to a study published in the International Journal of Inflammation, eugenol has been shown to have strong anti-inflammatory effects, making it effective in reducing swelling and pain in joints. Regular consumption of clove water helps lower inflammatory markers, thus offering long-term relief for those suffering from chronic inflammatory diseases such as arthritis. 4. Improve oral health. Cloves have been used in traditional remedies for oral health issues like toothaches and bad breath. Drinking clove water at night helps kill harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of gum diseases and infections. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Natural Science, Biology and Medicine revealed that clove extract significantly reduces dental plaque and bacteria like Streptococcus mutans. Additionally, the antimicrobial properties of cloves can help prevent bad breath, making clove water an excellent choice for oral hygiene. 5. Strengthen the immune system. Drinking clove water regularly can boost your immune system. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. A strong immune system is essential for fighting off infections and diseases. According to a study in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity, eugenol, present in cloves, acts as a potent antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress and promoting a healthy immune response. Regular consumption of clove water enhances the body's natural defense mechanisms, making it more resilient against infections, colds, and flu. 9. Promote better sleep. Clove water can have a calming effect on the body, promoting better sleep quality. The presence of magnesium and eugenol in cloves helps relax the muscles and the nervous system, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. A study in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine indicated that clove oil improves sleep quality by reducing stress and anxiety. For people who struggle with insomnia or disturbed sleep patterns, drinking clove water before bed can be a natural remedy to improve sleep quality. 10. Boost skin health. Clove water is rich in antioxidants, which can improve the appearance and health of your skin. The antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is one of the main causes of skin aging. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that eugenol has strong anti-aging effects and helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Regular consumption of clove water hydrates the skin from within and promotes a healthy, glowing complexion. 11. Reduce headaches. Clove water can also help alleviate headaches, especially those caused by tension or sinus pressure. Cloves contain analgesic properties that reduce pain and inflammation. Drinking clove water before bed allows the body to relax, reducing the frequency and intensity of headaches. According to a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, the compounds in cloves can reduce the symptoms of migraines and tension headaches. How to make clove water. Making clove water is simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. Ingredients: 4 to 5 whole cloves, 1 cup of water. Instructions: boil a cup of water and add the cloves. Let the cloves steep in the water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the water to remove the cloves. Drink it warm before bed. For optimal results, it's recommended to consume clove water regularly, but consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any existing health conditions.